Hello there, VP, niaje, how you guys doing? I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I want us to make dinner together, and dinner today is in the oven. Like, you're baking this meal, and the meal itself is some baked fries and some baked fish. We're baking a whole fish, and of course it's gonna be spicy and all herby and all seasoned and all marinated and really good. Yes, this channel should actually be called something spicy, because we love spice in here. We really love spices here. So before we continue, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. If you are new here, just go to that subscribe button and click on it. It's free of charge to click on it and be part of this channel. And for our loyal subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to our videos. So here we have some fries. I've just washed this and cut them up, and I will lay them there on the tray and season them. So for the seasoning, I'll use, mainly for the fries, I wanted some garlic butter, which I have melted some butter here and added some crushed garlic to this. So I'll just sprinkle it over the fries, then add in some paprika and rosemary. Yes, for the fries I just wanted those three spices to go on my fries, and then a bit of salt there. And then for the fish, we'll see as we go. So in here I added some garlic and onion powder just for the extra flavor, and then I'm just going to mix these up so that all the seasoning can be coated. This is ready for the oven, but since I want all of these to cook together, like the fries and the fish, I'll just prepare the fish and then put it in the middle here and throw this in the oven to cook. So here is our fish. This is parrot fish. It's a salty water fish and it's very yummy. So we're just going to marinate this, or like put spices on it, and then throw it in the oven to cook. So we are done marinating our fish, and we will place it here like that. So to finish this off, we'll just add some pieces of lemon, like so, for an extra flavor. You know, flavor is key, guys. Flavor is key in everything. So try as much as possible to get all those flavors in there as much as you can when you can. So Just stretch that out like that, and ensure the lemon is in, or partially, as much as you can. And then also for our fish, I wanted some fresh thyme. So this is fresh thyme straight from our garden. This is from our garden, guys. We are now harvesting thyme, and this is so amazing. So I wanted to use them here just to add in to the flavor of the fish. So I'll use rosemary on the potatoes and some thyme on the fish. I can't wait. I cannot wait for this to be over and done with so that I can have a taste. I'll just put it down there. So this is ready to go in the oven and bake at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes, or until everything is well cooked. So our fish and chips is ready, and it looks really good. I can't wait for it to start cooking so I can feel all the flavors and the aroma from the herbs and the spices and the fish and just everything. I can't wait actually for the outcome. So these the green things are garlic leaves, which I've just sprinkled on it for, of course, extra flavor again. So this is a dinner meal that you can try for your family, especially this holiday season. Try something new for your family and friends, guys. They love it. They love the extra mile that you go with the food. And yeah, we're giving you free recipes, so be sure to subscribe for more recipes like this. So let's keep this in the oven, and we'll see you when it's ready. Our fish and chips is ready, and it looks absolutely yummy. I love how dry the fish is. I didn't want it very meaty. I wanted it a bit dry, like how you fry the fish. But instead of frying, I baked it. So I'll just serve this up and show you the final look. So here is our fish and chips, all baked up and ready to eat. Make sure you throw down this meal for your family this holiday season. Come on, guys. Do it for your families and your friends. Try out something different. And this is definitely one of it that you should really try out. So I'm just going to dig in, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.